Minerals. So what do you mean by minerals? Minerals is also a part of a component of food in which it helps its proper functioning and normal growth and health. Why we need minerals? We need minerals because it helps to build the bones and teeth, formation of blood, coagulation of blood, and functioning of muscles, functioning of nerves and thyroid gland. So basically we can say that कि minerals help करते हैं हमारे bones and teeth को strong build करने के लिए, formation of blood, coagulation of blood and functioning of muscles as well as functioning of nerves and thyroid gland. So basically minerals contain four things like calcium and phosphorus, iron and iodine. Let's study one by one. Calcium is needed for making bone and teeth. आपको bones and teeth के लिए चाहिए calcium for the making of bones and teeth. As well as what is the role of calcium? Calcium also help in proper functioning of heart and other muscles as well as in the clotting of blood. As we know that actually most of the parents at initial stage the children need more calcium than the adult. Why? Because at that time the children the formation of bones started. आपके जब when the child is so small the children's formation of growth is very high, growing is fast, so their bones and their teeth to be made largely for the calcium salt. So that's why calcium is required more in children stage as compared to the adult. What is the role of phosphorus? So phosphorus is needed for the formation of bones and teeth. For example, what is the difference between the calcium and phosphorus? Suppose if I want to prepare a food, so what we need? We need food. Vegetable, pulses, rice, and all for the formation of if we want to prepare a food. But basically what we need if we want to make this, we need burner or heat to prepare that food. में बनाने के लिए we need burner to prepare these foods. So it's a mediator for the formation of food. Burner act as a mediator for the formation of food. In the same way, for the formation of or to make a calcium or to make a bone or teeth, we need a calcium, but in the presence of phosphorus, because formation of bones and teeth is required phosphorus. Now come to the iodine. Iodine is essential for proper functioning of thyroid gland, which control the growth of the body. So what happens? Iodine helps in the functioning of thyroid glands, which control the growth of the body. The second which is iodine helps thyroid gland to make hormones which control growth. So what are the sources of food which contain iodine? That is seafood, fruits, vegetables, iodized salt. That's why we always take iodized salt. Normally salt भी सारे होते हैं. Now come to iron. Iron is needed to make hemoglobin present in the red blood cell. So basically iron is required for the formation or to make of hemoglobin in the red blood cell. And what is the function of red blood cell is to carry oxygen from lungs to the other part of the body. And what are the sources of iron in our food is palak, जो basically we can easily purchase, the green leaf vegetable, apples, eggs, liver, cereal, pulses and groundnuts. Water. As we know that 75% of our body contain water. So we always need water, and what is the role of water is to transport digested food to the body cells. Whatever we eat, it can be digested by the help of water, and that digested food can be transported through the in the cell, body of the cell. Now second is to transport important chemical such as hormones around the body. Third is control and regulate the temperature of the body by the process of sweating and evaporation. So that's why we should always intake water to maintain the temperature of the body. So these are the foods which contain water, like as cucumber, tomato. Even tomatoes contain 94% of water. Cucumber contain 96% of water. Roughage. What is roughage? Roughage is basically a fibrous matter in the food which cannot be digested. Basically, it cannot be digested, but it helps to digest. It is needed for the normal working of the digestive system, but we require for the digestive system. So this is the fibrous roughage which helps for the digestion. So the sources of the food which contain roughage is fruits, vegetable, nuts, berries. So what is also we can say that roughage provide bulk to the food, keeps the food and waste matter moving along the intestine, and helps to present the constipation. So prevent the constipation. And disease caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. This is very important. We should know vitamin A, loss of vision. Vitamin B1 is for beriberi. This is a disease. Vitamin C, scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. Calcium for bones and tooth decay. Iodine for goiter. Iron for anemia. So if I say that I have a vision problem, so this is just only because of vitamins A deficiency. Scurvy, like bleeding in the gums, which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. So we should always eat citrus food. खट्टे चीज़ें हमें खानी चाहिए. Rickets just like bending of our legs. Sometimes we see कि कुछ persons के हमारे legs bent type में दिखते हैं. This is only because of deficiency of vitamins D. Calcium for bone and tooth decay. Goiter. As we know that what is a goiter? Goiter where the gland in the neck appears swollen. Glands in the neck appears swollen. हमारी गर्दन के बगल में एक बड़ा सा swollen चीज़ दिखता है, and this is just because of goiter deficiency, or we can say the mental disability in the children. Anemia, again, if we have a deficiency of iron, we suffer a disease called anemia, where we feel weakness in the body. Hello students, today we will start the new topic, that is minerals. So what is minerals? Minerals is just a part of component of food